Filing your taxes can be stressful, and small mistakes could cost you, whether it's a missed refund or paying more than you should. But don't worry. With the right prep, there are 5 steps to follow, and you can avoid these common tax pitfalls. First, choosing the wrong filing status. Picking the wrong filing status could mean missing out on tax breaks. For example, filing as single instead of head of household can cost you thousands in deductions. Know your options and choose wisely. Second, incorrect personal or income details. A simple typo in your Social Security number or income info can cause major headaches, like IRS rejections or refund delays. Double-check your details before hitting submit. Third, math errors. Even small math mistakes can cause big problems, from delays to audits. Use tax software or work with a CPA to make sure your numbers add up. Fourth, forgetting to sign your return. Believe it or not, forgetting to sign your tax return is still a common mistake. If you're filing jointly, both spouses must sign. Filing electronically helps you avoid this slip-up. What if you make a mistake? Messed up on your taxes? No problem. You can file an amended return within 3 years of your original filing. Fixing errors early helps avoid penalties and ensures you get the refund you deserve. Let SK Financial CPA handle your taxes. At SK Financial CPA, we review every detail to ensure your tax return is accurate and optimized for savings. We've helped countless clients avoid costly mistakes and resolve complex tax issues. One of our clients recently faced a $50,000 penalty and $27,360 in interest due to errors by the Georgia Department of Revenue. Despite making a $1.2 million estimated tax payment, the department incorrectly applied the refund, resulting in a $200,000 discrepancy. Our team quickly stepped in, investigated the issue, and worked directly with the Georgia Department of Revenue to correct their mistakes. As a result, we eliminated the penalties and interest, reducing the client's balance to zero and saving them over $77,000. This is the kind of personalized support you can expect from SK Financial CPA: accurate filings, proactive problem solving, and peace of mind. Need help filing? Contact SK Financial CPA today. Visit our website or give us a call to get started.